100, 200, 300. How many emails do you get in a day? How many in an hour? How does it help you focus, or how does it take away your focus? Today, I'm going to be showing you something that is very personal to me because I dealt with incoming emails and how it distracted me nonstop. And now how my client who had the same problem, I was able to help them. I tried off the shelf Google's built-in Gemini Workspace Studio first for myself. And it didn't work. It didn't work because it was a black box. I could not control what I needed to do with it. And this is why I use Claude, and I built an email assistant for small businesses. It's going to help us go into the emails that we have unread. It helps us get into what the context is by reading the threads that are associated with it. It helps us understand what is going on by looking at our emails that are similar to other matters. And then it puts it all together and it drafts replies. It tells you what to focus on first. It tells you if there's a red flag from one of your customers, from anything else, and then it tells you exactly what to reply. Does it reply for you? It could, but I have it not, because I need my customer to look at it, understand what they're looking at, understand there has to be a step because AI can hallucinate. There needs to be a proper eyes from the business, and that's what I've built. So what happens every morning? What happens every afternoon? What happens every couple of hours? It depends on how you schedule it. I created an API key with my Claude, and then I set up a project where I have instructions. Then I use Google's built-in scripts to kick this off a couple of times a day, but the communication to AI was clear. Go through my emails, categorize what needs to be answered, read what is in the context, do not invent anything on your own, give me understanding by reading other emails of my voice, my tone, and how I've answered these things before, and give me in one email everything I should do. Why does this beast off the shelf? I own the whole chain. My client then owns the whole chain. It runs on Google server. It's free. Claude runs and learns your voice. It's not a generic tone settings. The cost is minimal compared to $40 a month some software might add you. It is $1 to $3 just for the API usage. I'm generalizing these numbers, but the difference is clear. It is about $30 a month difference. This is a one-time setup. It can learn from you. You can go back and edit it. You own the whole process. And that is why I built it. I've pinned a couple of things in the comments for you to look at. If you need any help building it out, F2A is always here. If not, I put a little bit of guide how to do this yourself. Fix the ambiguity. See you next time.